Hello student, welcome to my class of computer of class 10th. Today we will understand the unit 2 part of electronic spreadsheet advanced level of first topic, in which we have covered in earlier video the use consolidating data and create the subtotal. In this video we will cover use of what if scenario, use what if tool and use goal sequence solver. So student, let's begin. We are going to open OpenOffice 4.1.7. I have already created a particular file for you student which takes less amount of time. So in this particular first part we will understand what if scenario student. So here I have mentioned a formula to calculate a simple interest, in which principal amount, rate of interest, time period is given here. Here principal amount 500, rate of interest 4%, time period 1 year, and calculate amount according to the formula you can see here student. So here is a formula, okay, that is B3 into B4 into B5 divided by 100. So in what if scenario student, what is going on? So in this particular scenario, suppose that we need to know about what will the simple interest if the principal amount is 500. In such scenario we can make the different kind of scenarios also. So to do that student, we have to go to option tool and then click on scenario. Okay, so here I am going to put the name of this scenario, that is named by st1, and in a form of comment I will write here that is for 500, and color I am giving for this particular way, that is orange. Now you can see that, press OK option. Now you can see that st1 has come, this particular arrow has come. Now second time if I am selecting this, okay, so I am going to change the value first. In 1000 what will the value? So here you can see 40. Okay, so select this and then after that go to tool option and then scenario, put the name of this particular scenario, that is st2. okay, and then in comment you can write here that is 1000 and you provide the color which should be different or similar like yellow also. I am going to provide here red color. So now you can see that this one thing. And now scenario number 3 I am going to create, that is of 10,000. okay, so press enter. Now you can see 400 has come. So now you have to just select it, okay, and then go to tool option and click on scenario and then provide the name of scenario, that is st3. You can see that, okay, and provide the color, and sorry, you have to just provide the comment here. I think 10,000. okay, so now you have to just select this one thing and color, suppose that you are going to provide the color, that is magenta, okay, and then press OK. So student, now you can see student, with the help of scenario tool you can just check it out. If the principal amount 1000, you can get the simple interest 40. If you can select the scenario 2, this says if the 10,000 is value, so simple interest is 400. okay, like this it will come. Okay student, so in this we got the different kind of scenario, but in scenario, what if scenario, we can just find out one by one. okay, that is time taking process. okay, to overcome this problem we are using what if tool multiple operation, in which we can get the answer in a column way and row way option. okay, in column 1 value I have provided the principal amount and we will calculate the number of the simple interest. Same way in row values also we are providing here the principal amount, okay, in a row manner, and we get the answer in a simple interest in a row manner. So to do that student, what we are going to do, we have to select the particular area. okay, we are actually going to create a table for that. We do not need to just check it again and again once we have to do that. So for that student, we have to go to data option and multiple operation. okay, in this multiple operation dialog box will appear in front of you. In this it will ask you formula. So you can see that in simple interest formula stored in this particular B7 cell. okay, and here we are going to find out row wise or column wise. In this condition we are going the column wise. So now we have to select this one thing. okay, so principal amount cell will be select from the above and press OK. Now you can see that everything we have come. If the principal amount 500, the simple interest will be 20, 1000, 40, 10,400, that is 20,800, like this. Okay, same way in row value we can do this one thing also. So you have to just select this particular way. Okay, and then go to data option and then multiple operation, same thing will open. So you have to click on formula, in place of formula B cell. Okay, and then row value. Okay student, in row value we are going to select principal amount, press OK. Now you can see that if 520, 2080, okay, and 14,560. okay, so by that student you have learned how to calculate, that is what if tool multiple operation. Okay, now we are going to talk about the next one thing, that is goal seek. Okay student, so now we have completed what if tool scenario and what if tool. Now goal seek student. So goal seek student actually a special type of facility that provided by this particular spreadsheet program. Okay, by which we can get the any of the missing value. You can see principal value, that is 2000, rate of interest 4, time 1, and output is 800 due to the formula. Okay, in this condition, suppose that if I am getting simple interest 80, okay, and if I want to calculate what will the principal value of that. So in such condition, okay, if any value we are going to searching for that. Okay, so in that case we have to use goal seek. Okay student, so goal seek is a tool that provide you the facility to get any of the value, okay, in the formula. So you can see in this formula we have calculated the simple interest, in which we require principal amount, rate of interest, time. Then after that we can calculate the simple interest. But in spite of this particular thing, if you are getting simple interest, time, and rate of interest, then we have to find out the principal amount or one of them particular term. So for that we have to use goal seek. So to do that student, what we have to do, we have to just go to the particular tool and then go to goal seek option. So here you can see student formula cell. As we know, formula cell is in B6. Okay, and now target value. Okay, target value, suppose that we are going to say 500 we require. Okay, and variable cell, that means principal. Okay, we have to just go to this one thing and variable cell. So let's say student, if I want, if my simple interest is 500, and what will be the principal value. So you have to click on this, it will say 12,500 will be what thing, my value. So you can see that if my interest is 500, so what will be the principal amount. So same way we can go to again tool, and now again goal seek option. Formula, you know, here is formula. Okay, target value, suppose that 45 I want. Okay, 45 value I want, and the principal amount, suppose that if I want, what will the principal amount. So click on OK option. Now you can see that 1125 is my principal amount if the simple interest is value is 45. So student, we can use this particular goal seek to get any value from this one also, not only to get the principal value. So here formula will be in this one thing, and suppose that if I want to get the what thing, principal value 1000, okay, what will be the rate of interest. Okay, so here I am going to this one thing. Okay, so target value and principal value rate of interest. So now you can see this will be the rate of interest, that is 88.8889. okay, so by that student we have to know how to use the goal seek. Okay, so in goal seek, okay, this tool is known as goal seek. So formula in B6 definitely. Okay, target value you can type, okay, or 80 provide also. So we are doing this one thing, and variable B2. Okay, so same thing we have to do again student. So we have to go to goal seek option. Here is formula cell is B6, target value is 80. Okay, and a variable cell is B2. Why B2? Because I want to know what is the principal rate. Okay, so now you have to click on this one thing. Now you can see this one thing. Okay, if you are going to provide it for, okay, so what will that? Okay, 9.3. Now we have learned student how to get the value, okay, using the goal seek. So now we have to come to the solver option. The last one thing is solver. So solver helps us to similar like the goal seek only, but it provide the multiple what thing, option or condition. In you can see that in GoalSeek, okay, in GoalSeek there are only 3 particular places are there by which we can search the content, but there is no multiple option are there. But in Solver we can get the say multiple option possibility in which we can provide there also. So here target cell B7, because here is target cell, value may be type or a cell also. By changing cell, this example will use the principal amount. So what we have to do, student, go to tool, okay, I am going to just deselect it, go to tool option, and then after that, okay, we have to click on solver. So here it says target cell. So here is, you can see that target cell is B7 because formula is here, so B7. So here I am going to ask value of, okay, so here I am going to find out the value of 500, okay, or we can say that chalo, then after that 400 we can say that, okay. By changing value, this is principal value, okay. So now we can see that there are number of the references are there, okay. Solve, you can see that keep result. Now you can see that 10,000 has come, okay, by simple interest of 400 according to the 4% of interest and time 1 year, okay. So student, we have learned today what is solver, GoalSeek, what if scenario, and what if multiple operation also. So in this, student, you can provide the value, the cell reference, it should be more than equals to whatever the value, like this also, okay. You can just directly use this one thing also. Suppose that 700. So now what will value, solve it and keep result. Now so you can see that if the simplest interest is 700, we get the answer 17,500. So student, we have learned today, that is what if scenario, what if tool, that is multiple operation, okay, use GoalSeek and solver. So student, I hope you are learning well, okay, and do the all steps that I given you notes, okay, step by step in a classwork copy. Till then, thank you and have a nice day, student.